Well guys, there's no light. It's such an ugly day today. It's raining. It's so cloudy. I hear thunder. It's 11:35 a.m. I have to go to the freaking dentist and I don't want to go drive, but I want to get it over with, but I'm so scared to drive. And I have to go drop off Mia first. It wasn't raining that much, but look, now it's raining hard and it's kind of windy. It got worse. You guys, it is so bad. I just dropped off Mia and I just keep contemplating I should go back. Like I should have gone back. I should have took an exit and gotten out. But I didn't. I kept driving and driving. I'm like, I showered, I got ready. Mia got ready. We got in the car. I just dropped her off. I'm like, I'm just gonna go. It's been 3 times in a month that I have been having to go back to that dentist. They're like, first they took my x-rays and they looked at my teeth and they made me come back. They cleaned my teeth and now again they're making me come back to finally do my cavities. And I just really want to get them over with because I know it's not good to be having cavities. So Albert, he always tells me just go with my sister and get it done. I'm like, I don't want to bother her and I don't know. It's so bad. I didn't think it was gonna rain this much. They said the last time I saw the news, the lady's like, it's not gonna rain that much, maybe this much. Look at this. What the hell is this? It's so scary. My sister didn't even send her son to school and I sent Sale to school. I mean, it wasn't bad in the morning, but now it's like, it's terrible. You guys, I'm out and I'm alive. I'm cold. I know, I'm like scared. I was scared to get this done. I don't remember. I'm numb. They numbed me. They put the anesthetic, whatever, the shot. I think this was, oh my god, I'm shaking. I think this procedure was better than my freaking teeth cleaning, honestly, because oh my god, I'm shaking. Because when they did my teeth cleaning, oh my god, blood came out and I don't remember when was the last time I had a cavity because I don't remember ever getting this procedure done. I was so terrified, but it wasn't so bad. I mean, I don't know until the anesthesia wears off. I'm gonna go take a pill before it wears off. He told me to be careful for 2 hours. He said you can drink anything, but be careful eating because you can't feel your teeth over here. And so yeah, but I was so scared already because of driving in the rain and the streets are so flooded and I don't know, I get scared. And then I hate the frogs. You know how they're all big, they splash the whole water at you. Thankfully the car I drive is not so low, it would be even worse. God, I feel my saliva like just, but I'm glad it's done, it's over. It's gonna be 1, so I gotta go pick up Mia and then Cielo, and I can't feel my teeth. And what else? So yeah, I'm just scared to drive back, but I think I'll just go the same way and hopefully I'll be okay. Man, I don't remember ever having a cavity. I have never experienced this procedure. Like, what got me a cavity was not coming to the dentist in more than a year. Oh my god, I know it's bad. But yeah, okay, enough blah blah. I'm gonna drive now and yeah. My saliva's like coming out. That doctor, he's really nice. He tells you everything he's doing, but yeah, that guy who cleaned my teeth last time, he was like rude or I don't know. I just didn't like it. Remember what to say. Hello peeps. They're right there. You don't see them on your shoes. I've been trying to vlog the whole day today, but Mia always has my phone and there's something going on. I didn't vlog no more yesterday. What the heck is that, dude? Where'd you get chocolate from? Ay, ay, ay. Well, clean yourself on something. Oh my god. These girls have my car a mess. in the house and everything. We gotta go. So I came to Hyundai because my battery is not working and the car won't turn on. We've never changed the key like that, so my dad said he would do it, but I have to order an extra key. And then in the morning we had parent conference, so I got up at 6. I haven't even ate. We've been running around and yeah. Hello, we're out of the parts service or whatever it's called. We're having our breakfast.
No breakfast.
Which is freaking Starbucks until Albert. But really, at 6 I woke up making her lunch, getting her ready, fixing her stuff, getting myself ready. This girl hasn't even changed. And then we had the conference at 7:35, but teacher was with someone else and we got there like 7:45. And then I got out. I was supposed to come straight to Hyundai because the car wouldn't turn on nowhere. So I left the car on at school. But then there was this guy that went to the house because he was gonna fix the drywall. And he did, so I had to wait for him. And then I was upstairs cleaning, organizing. And I have a lot of clothes to put away and vacuum and stuff. But then when the guy left, I came here. But first I went for a coffee and that's what we're eating.
I'm eating Mama Kudo.
No, yeah. And it feels so weird. My tooth, it's like sore. Because like I bite down. I mean, I'm still not eating on that side because they said at least 24 hours. But, yeah. Like it feels weird when it bites down. Like it's sore or something. We're gonna take our car here. We're parked at Hyundai where all the service cars are. So yeah, I asked about getting a new key. I didn't know what you call this thing. It's called the fob, and they're asking for $700 and something for a new one, an extra one, because of the one we have, I don't know why it's submerged in water or something. But I got my battery replaced for $10. Man, I thought it was gonna be free. So yeah, I'm debating if to go home or go buy a plant. I have Panda. Ow.
Look. Are you recording?
Oh, yes.
Okay, recording.
How am I? Oh, okay.
1. Go.
Oh, wow.
Beep, beep, beep.
We are finally home. I made these pancakes in the morning, but I didn't have time to try them until now. And they're actually pretty good. I got them at Sprouts. And they don't have shitty ingredients. They're actually ingredients you can read. I usually get the, what's that other brand? I probably have it still. Let's see, move Panda, move. I have a mess, I don't know where to start. Oh, here they are, like the birch blenders. But the buttermilk actually does have like, I mean, they're alright. But I don't know, I like how those taste better. I don't know why. I just found them last week and I just made them today. There they are. Cielo took one with chocolate chips. And Mia's taking her iron and her apple juice. Mia, do you want to tell them what happened at Target? Or no? No? Oh, she doesn't want to talk about it, so never mind. I'll respect her privacy. Another tragic accident just happened. I'm not able to tell you about the other one because it involves Mia and she doesn't want me to speak about it. So I forgot Tuesday through Friday is early dismissal for Cielo. I was getting ready to go pick her up. Honestly, she gets out at 2:30 and I was gonna leave at 1:50, and yeah, I was getting ready to leave and they called my phone at 1:47 and they're like, Cielo's parent, you forgot to pick up, or blah blah. And I was like, shit, I forgot. And I'm like, okay, I'm going. And then I was, speeding, trying to get there. And there was this freaking truck parked on the right lane where I was. So there was 3 lanes. I was all the way to the right. And that truck was there. And it's a freaking curve. It's an ugly curve. And that truck was there. So I was like, shit. And then there was a car on my left in the middle lane. I was trying to go that way and I couldn't. So I was breaking, but not fully. And I don't know why I expected the car to move to the other lane. I don't know. He didn't care, she didn't care, or I don't know why I expect that. But yeah, I just moved a little bit more. I just moved a little bit more to the left lane, the middle lane, but not completely. Try not to hit both cars. But yeah, and then right now when I came back, I came around another way and that freaking truck was there again, stopped. I'm like, at least put a freaking code so you know we're approaching something. But yeah, so today is not my day. Good thing I have nowhere else to go because I just want to stay in here and be safe. Yeah, I gotta get cleaning. I have not touched nothing in the kitchen since I left for the Hyundai to fix the fob, whatever you call it. So yeah, it's 2:20 now. I made a little smoothie. I gotta prep for dinner and blah blah. So yep, my tooth still feels weird. I haven't even looked at it because I'm scared. Let's see where they put like the anise with. You can't see the filling. I'm not trying to. And then yesterday, before the dentist, I cut my freaking finger really bad. By the way, you guys, I have been on my new pills for 2 months and I just got my period now. So yeah, great update. First time ever cooking sweet potatoes. The last time I did it was when they were like babies for their food. Here are the potatoes. Eggs. cucumbers and the chicken. They really like my chicken. Panda too. Hey Panda. Cielo, you're gonna fall down. Hey guys, I tell you guys, I'm bad at vlogging now. It's what? It's 8:17. I was upstairs putting laundry away and stuff. And yeah, I just remembered I was vlogging today and yesterday, and if I don't vlog enough, then tomorrow I have to vlog more. So yeah. My husband asleep for like 2 hours. And it's just 8, and then she's not gonna want to sleep. I think the last vlog before the one I just recorded was I was waiting with Cielo. And yeah, kitchen's pretty much clean. I have to put this away and wash that and put that away. My plant died, I think. I keep watering it, hoping it'll come to life, but I don't think so. And this one, all the flowers fell, but look, I've noticed there's a new leaf coming out. And yeah, there's more on the bottom, I think. And then here, I have another one that died. No, well, they told me it wasn't dead. And look, I see a new little plant coming out. But yeah, I don't know about plants. It's moist still.